great opportunity was to sit down with so many of our customers and the leaders and go through, okay, how are we doing on providing, TAAL console and the API services, a number of conversations around really the future of the node software. And in many cases, there's a roadmap there for TAAL to run the node for a lot of clients and take that heavy lifting off their balance sheets and off their service stacks, all the way through to, the things that get me excited really, Adrian, which is we talked a lot about the original vision of the Bitcoin protocol, which is, of course, to bring to market this digital cash system. More closer to home, we obviously see an abundance of wallet providers now building on BSV. And those wallet providers are allowing you to house your cryptocurrency, your US dollar or your sterling or your euro, and you're getting really good payment rails services behind those wallets. So you can, exchange in and out of tokens, in and out of fiat currencies really elegantly.